How to change your address in Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change your address on Amazon. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change your address on Amazon, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping application. Then once you launch the Amazon app, just come to this little account icon from the bottom of the screen. You can see this account icon, right? You want to just come to the account tab, and then at the very top you can see your account. All you have to do is just tap on the your account button. So when you go to the option called your account, just scroll and then look for the option called your addresses. As you can see over here, we have the option called your addresses, so just make sure to tap on that option. So basically when you tap on the your addresses section, on the next specific page you'll be able to see your default address as well as your secondary address. So if you'd like to edit it, all you have to do is just tap on the edit button right next to these addresses, or just tap on the edit button right next to other addresses, and then you should be able to change them, and then tap on the save changes button. If you want to set other address as your primary address, just tap on the set as default button. When you tap on set as default, that option will be set as your default addresses on Amazon. And that's all it takes to change your Amazon address. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.